Hello, in this video we are going to see how we will install Docker MySQL. So instead of installing MySQL in our own environment, we can use Docker to run MySQL. So we need to pull the image first. So I'm going to my terminal right now. Terminal, then here I am clearing my console. Then what I'm going to do is just run my command. So it's pull my image right now. Then after that I need to go to starting a MySQL instance, and also I need to from the MySQL command line. So there will be MySQL Docker run. So you'll get some instruction about that. So we did this step, we pulled the image, then right now we need to run. Okay, so we are going to the console right now. Okay, unable to run the image name is different, image name is MySQL. Okay, so if I'm going docker container, docker ps -a, I can see my MySQL instance there, MySQL created. So it's exited because of some issues. I don't know what is the real issue right now. Let me start again. So I'm running this one again. So again it's stop. So there is some issues with that. Probably we need to fix that, and I will fix that offline. So the installation is straightforward. Just install and you can see the container there. So the other things, how we will run that particular instance using the command line. So we can use docker exec, and we need to provide that particular MySQL instance and MySQL root, root username. Then MySQL window will appear. So right now we have this issue, so I don't know how we will solve that. If I am going my previous one, probably I will get some information about how I can solve this one. So I'm going to run this command again. Probably this time it's going to work out. Docker run network, some network is not found, so I can remove that session. So if we are creating a particular network and we are going that network, we are going to use that particular network, then we can do that. Right now it's some MySQL user name password. I'm just unknown my SQL server hosts some MySQL. So there are so many things that we don't need actually. I'm just removing all the unwanted things. I just only need to one MySQL password, MySQL LMT, and MySQL random. So entry to script MySQL starter database is uninitialized and password option is not specified. You need to specify one of MySQL password. So again, I'm going to this one. So still, I have one instance MySQL one that's that exitor, and the other one is not started also. So probably we need to remove this one. Docker run. Okay, right now we remove that and we will try to run again. So these things we need to figure out, then only we can run. So password, we need to specify that password. Okay, so if we are using this one, we don't need to do anything, just running that one is fine. Okay, unable to find image MySQL tag. That tag is not a valid thing. So right now something has happened. Maybe we can check whether there is any. Yeah, right now it's fine. Our instance is up right now. Right now I need to go to Docker exe. Here we see somewhere Docker exe. I guess it is here that we can try to access. So here MySQL is the image. Probably I will give MySQL name itself. Some MySQL. That's my name. Maybe I will try with that one. Okay. So we are right now inside that one. So if I am going like ls, I can see so many things. So ls where lib.mysql. Okay, there are so many things here. So dot permanent, everything is there. Auto dot cnf. So our thing is fine right now. The bash is started. So how I will start our MySQL command line. Access denied for root at localhost. So during that running, how we start that? My secret password, my secret password, and run name some MySQL root password, my secret password. So denied for user root at localhost. So this is The user is okay. There is no root access enabled for this particular one, so we need to mention that here. Here I just mention only the password, so that's some main problem here. So probably after exiting from this one, I'm just exiting from this one, and instead of some MySQL, so asking for a password here. So we set some password here. We can use that password. Probably it will work. Okay, right now everything is fine. We are in our shell environment right now. Here, show all tables. Okay, there is no show my DB or something is there. Show, no, there is nothing like that here. So show all database. MySQL, show databases. So that's the one. Okay, so we can see some of the database here. So that's all about the Docker MySQL. So two commands we need to yeah, we need to run. So initially we are running with the MySQL root password. Then we are just using MySQL root password, and we need to mention what is the name for that particular container. Then we need to log in into that particular, not login. We are bashing that particular MySQL by saying the MySQL instance name and your root, and it will ask for password that we have already given. So it's very straightforward. We don't need to, yeah, we don't need to install in our OS and setting path, that kind of things. So it's a very easy thing. Thank you for watching. Have a nice